What's up everybody, this is Colin from Deborah, and in this video I'm going to show you the built-in Zeropark tracker. Use it and what the exact options are. So I'm logged into the Zeropark dashboard right now, and as you can see we have some campaign testing going on. What you can see is there's starting with a graph. The graph is displayed over the specific date, all the hours of the day. Below it you have a whole field with data. So let's go through it step by step and show you how it works. There's always right now a beta feature displayed, and we're going to have a look at that one as well because it looks really good. So at the left we start with some insights. We have the spend for today, the payout, the redirects, and the conversions. You see for today we're at minus ROI, we have tons of redirects, but the conversion rate is not that great. In this graph you see that displayed the spend in blue, the payouts in purple, the redirects in red, and the conversions in green. Now you can do this not only for today, but you can do this for, let's say, the last 30 days. It will pull up more campaigns and it will show you that I started testing with my own account in October. So this is a complete overview of what is possible, right? So you can see we spent 2.5, we made 1.1, 60,000 clicks, 374 conversions. This data doesn't really tell you much because this is my little testing account. As you can see, I'm only testing one campaign right now, and Renee is testing one campaign on this account as well. So the spend, redirects, conversions, payout, it's all there. The time zone, very important, Amsterdam time being displayed, and you can filter on domain redirect campaigns, pop campaigns, and push campaigns, and I'm only doing push traffic right now. Some testing with a US Walmart campaign. All right, then we go to the filter. You can filter on, let's say, Renee, and then I get only the names with Renee in it. That means only one campaign. Okay, let's keep that one for now so I can show you all the features. The inventory can be pre-selected, premium, standard, or remnant, and you can do filter on bulk actions. So if you select this one, you could say bulk action for, let's say, all the different placements, pause, resume, delete, or restore. You can export this to CSV and have it in a nice file, and you can also show the deleted campaigns. Now at the bottom you find the inventory type, which comes back here. You can see the name, so if the name is too long it will show up like this. So this would be New Zealand to build a push database for a tutorial video. Geo New Zealand, type run on network, redirect 0 spend. So this must be, I think this was a pop campaign actually. So this, the redirects 21,500 clicks, spent $5 only, and this is pop. As you can see, the bid is really low. ECPA, then you have the visibility, the status is paused, and the action. You could do details, edit, resume, duplicate, or delete. This is the clicks, the conversions, it all speaks for itself. Now let's have a look at the new dashboard, see what that looks like, because that is quite interesting. It has a way more futuristic and modern look, and this is how the flow goes. So let me just pick 10th of this of October, and I want to see only the 10th. See what happens. So this was 112 in spend, 96 in payout, 5,000 clicks, 30 conversions. And you see the amount of redirects. This is pretty cool. Is it more useful? No, because the data is still the same, but it looks quite clean, and you can really see what's going on if you know these metrics by heart. You can filter it as well. You can change it, move the data around. You can see no graph, just the data, data above, graph below, and data to the left, graph to the right. And again, you can filter it and the campaign overview. It looks quite similar, but it's a little bit different. For this specific day, you can see 99 in spend, 90 conversions. The data is pretty much clear. So the built-in tracker works quite well. When we go into the campaigns, so to drill down the campaigns, you will have an overview of your URL, the geo you run, and the conversion test link. the bid is set, the total budget, the daily budget, and your daily source budget. You can find the optimization rules here, and I'm only running one source on this one. Then you have your targets, which you can optimize. So the built-in tracker from Zeropark shows you a lot of information. For me, we optimize on eCPA. As long as it's below $3, we make money. And as you can see, we get quite some conversions, just around break even. And the built-in tracker shows all this data. On the target level, it shows the bids, the impressions, the win ratio, the clicks, the spend, the conversions, the payout, eCPA, CTR, and the average cost. Of course, here you also have the option to edit your bid. Then for the creatives, it shows the same information: impressions, clicks, spend, conversions, payout. Basically everything you need to know. What you will see is that Zeropark's favors ad 5. Why? Because it has the highest CTR, therefore gets the most amount of impressions. This ad has the lowest CTR and also gets the lowest amount of impressions, just like any other traffic network. That's basically a full introduction on how the built-in tracker from Zeropark works, the graph, the insights, the rule-based optimization you can use, the different types of information displayed in the built-in tracker, and this is how it all works together. We use volume in combination with Zeropark.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.